Okay, Mario, for this first goal, you are going to be sounding out the letters, saying the letters and sounding out the letters. So if you remember, this is the letter F and it makes the sound F. This is the letter G and it makes the sound G. This is the letter H and it makes the sound H. This is the letter I and it makes the sound E. This is the letter J and it makes the sound J. This is the letter K and it makes the sound K. This is the letter L and it makes the sound L. I want you to record yourself like a selfie saying the sounds, the letter and the sounds. Don't do it fast. Y me lo mandas. For the second goal, we're going to go over the words. This is a list of words we would go over at school. So you have the word please, soon, see, pretty, they, run, said, that, so, ran, say, the, ride, this, to, time, 3, 2, saw, read, she, play, out, there, and 2. What I want you to do is on a piece of paper, I want you to write me at least 10 of these words, and then I want you to record yourself like a selfie saying at least 10 of the words. Do not do it fast. You take your time, because if not, I won't count it as a grade, and I need the video so that I can count that as a grade. So let's go on to the next goal. So the next goal is going to be time. So we went over time before. I'm going to go over 2 examples. We're going to review. So let's see here. We have the time 4 o'clock. How would you write 4 o'clock in a clock? Remember, the big hand is your minutes and your small hand is your hour. So this is how you would write 4 o'clock. Correct? 4 o'clock. You see the big hand is at the 12, the small hand is the hour, so it would go to 4. So what I want you to do is you're going to do these next questions on this worksheet by yourself. I'm going to help you with the first 3. You're going to write these on a piece of paper. If you need to draw the clock, draw the clock. So number 1 has the small hand in between the 4 and the 5, and the big hand on the 6. What is our small hand? The hour. What is our big hand? The minute. So right here, remember, between 4 and 5, and this, we always count by 5s. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So we know that the minutes are 30. So is it a 4:30 or 5:30? Correct, 4:30, because it is between the 4 and the 5. Number 2, you have to draw the small hand and the big hand, the minute and the hour. You have 12:45. Where would your big hand go? And where will your small one go? So the big one is your minute. So the big one will go here, 12:45. Remember, right here we stopped at 30, 35, 40, 45. So your big hand goes here. That would be your minute. And 12:45, your small hand would go on the hour, on 12. Number 3, it says 8:30. How would you draw the minute and the hour hand on a clock? So if it's 8:30, where would your small hand go? The small one is your hour, 8. And your big hand, which is your minute, would be on the 6, and that's going to be 8:30. Make sure that you don't draw the arrows too big, because then I'm not going to be able to tell. But make sure that you draw the clocks if you need to draw the clocks, and make sure you write a number 6 and the time that it's asking you to identify. Record. You don't have to record yourself for this one. Now we're going to go to goal number 4. Goal number 4, I'm going to call you, and we're going to answer these questions appropriately. I know we've done this before at school, but I will FaceTime you for these. So if you have any questions on all the other goals, this would be the best time to ask. Let me know when you're done with the other ones, and I will call you, and we'll do this one together. Good luck.